Well, if you've been following along, we got the sawmill built, and we have several other pieces of equipment around here that we've put together for Spencer's Mountain, and now it's time to get all those things moved out there. The sawmill got taken apart for paint, and now we just have to figure out how to load this thing up and move it. A few of the bolts we took off. The saw is all assembled, and we have a number of other things that you may remember from our other videos loaded up here. Gotta put a few more things on, get this all tied down, but it's about ready to make its trip. The sawmill made it to the mountain all in one piece, and we've had some good rain here, so the grass has really grown in the places where we usually didn't have grass, so it's about knee deep where it was usually just gravel through here. But it's time to get this trailer unloaded, and we got to get to work out here. One of our first priorities is going to be to put the metal on the roof of the tiny yurt so that we protect the material up there, and then we can move on to other things.
Stand it up on its edge or put two of them in. I don't care. Like that's good.
Set on the edge.
Yep.
There you go.
Okay, so I'm going to have to lift it and pull it over this way. Whoops. Go come in front. Okay, I'm going to lift it up so it can...
Okay. There.
Okay, go ahead and put a nut on that one just to
Secure it.
make it safe.
Is that going to go over there where we're thinking of putting the sawmill in?
This?
Yeah.
I have no idea where this is going.
Yeah, maybe that keep that over this side until we know for sure where it's going.
Hopefully not too far since I got to carry it by hand right now.
Okay, we took out a couple of trees yesterday and pulled the roots out, and now we're in the process of trying to get something leveled out here a little bit for the sawmill bed. So this looks like it's going to be the spot. There's not a whole lot of long level areas, so we're just making it as we go. You can see wherever we pull up a tree that it's all rock underneath. The tree's kind of busted up, and we're left with this cobble here. But the trees are just growing in the crevices of the rocks, so basically when you pull them out, it's just slabs of rock that are in the roots. So it takes a little effort to pry them loose from that.
tree. Two for the price of one. You better. There's a painted side and an unpainted side. Which goes up?
It doesn't make any difference. Well, Debbie's chomping at the bit to get the sawmill put together, so she's putting the leveling feet on it right now.
Well, not very good.
They're going to be a little rough because
Yeah.
there's paint all in them.
Is that enough? Or
Yeah, maybe.
I put the original side up, so just to let you know.
One of our subscribers suggested we might want to put jam nuts on this, so I would cut down some regular nuts. Jam nuts were like $3.50, $3.75 a piece, and so I used some bulk hardware and just cut it down the lengths to fit on there. But we're also adding some anti-seize to the threads. This is going to live in some sawdust and water, so it's possible they could freeze up over time. So put a little anti-seize on it just to prevent that from becoming a problem in the future. Okay, we got this laser to do our building with, but it's coming in handy for a lot of different things. And it's got this sensor that goes onto your level rod, and you can tell your depths and things like that. But when the beam is on this red target over here, it tells you if you need to go down when you're level, solid bar. And when it needs to go up, it'll show an up arrow down there.
Started moving on me though. There, it's in the circle. And it's a straight line.
Another toasty day on the mountain, but we got some projects that we're working on. Finally got a log on the sawmill. And it's already produced some pretty clean but stained wood. I kind of like the stain color in it. Okay, let's see if it's square. Looks good. Well, our first 6x6.
I am tickle pink or green.
So now we got a little project to build with this thing.